I can't stand starting every month from square one with my dealership.
We're running ads, sending emails, boosting posts, but nothing sticks.
1 month up, the next month down. It feels like chaos on repeat.
You're not failing, your system is.
The problem isn't your leads. It's the reset cycle you go through each month that kills your momentum.
Every 30 days, you hit restart instead of building on what worked.
At Turbo Marketing Solutions, we help dealerships break that cycle.
We install AI-powered customer acquisition systems that compound your results, not your stress.
Finally, a plan your team can follow and your GM can measure.
Every day has a purpose, every week has a goal, and every month compounds.
That's the 30-day AI system. Clarity, control, and compounding growth.
It connects your CRM, ads, and sales process into one coordinated rhythm.
So you can stop chasing vendors and start owning your momentum.
From confusion to clarity, from chaos to control, and from resets to results.
This isn't another campaign. It's a compounding system that sells cars every 30 days.
Ready to stop restarting? Let's build your compounding system together.